Wow! Come and see this top-floor condo overlooking the lake. Unique with expanded living space. Gorgeous, updated open kitchen, remodeled bathrooms, tiled floor, new AC, oversized screened balcony overlooking the lake. Three-way split floor plan, one of only about a dozen three-bedroom units in the entire complex. The third bedroom is currently used as a den. The whole unit has been redone. Immaculate. Accordion shutters throughout, inside laundry room, huge open kitchen, walk-in closets, Great Lake views etc. This is a superb unit in a super location within walking distance to Whole Foods, Target, Publix, Trader Joe's, Starbucks, and more. 2 pools, fitness center, clubhouse, hot tub, on-site manager and staff. Don't miss this one. Condo dues include cable, Wi-Fi, reserves, water and sewer.